The Power of Brand Relevance, How to Stay on Top of Mind in a Rapidly Changing World. Let me share with you the secrets to maintaining brand relevance in a competitive market. Learn the strategies to stay meaningful, connect emotionally, and stand out in your industry. You see, in today's fast-paced and ever-evolving market, being good is no longer enough. To succeed, your brand must stay relevant, continuously resonating with your audience and adapting to their needs. But what does brand relevance truly mean, and how can you ensure your business remains indispensable in the eyes of your customers? Let's unpack the concept of brand relevance and provide some actionable strategies to help you build a brand that stands the test of time. So what exactly is brand relevance? Brand relevance is the art of staying meaningful to your target audience. It's about creating an emotional connection that ensures your brand remains a trusted solution in their lives. While brand awareness focuses on being known, relevance is about being chosen, again and again. When a brand is relevant, it transcends price wars and stands apart from competitors because it has earned a place in the hearts and minds of its audience. So why does brand relevance matter? Well, competition is fierce. The marketplace is crowded with competitors vying for your audience's attention. Relevance helps you cut through the noise by positioning your brand as the obvious choice. Customers' expectations are evolving, and today's consumers demand more than just products or services. They want value, purpose, and alignment with their values. Staying relevant means understanding and meeting these shifting expectations. Relevance also drives loyalty. A relevant brand doesn't just attract customers, it keeps them. When your audience feels that your brand understands and prioritizes their needs, they're more likely to stick around and recommend you to others. So, what are the pillars of brand relevance? Well, the first one is customer centricity. The cornerstone of brand relevance is understanding your audience. What are their pain points, desires, and values? Use data-driven insights and active listening to anticipate their needs and adapt your offerings accordingly. Here's a little actionable tip. Conduct regular surveys or engage with your audience on social media to gather real-time feedback. The second pillar is innovation and adaptability. Relevance requires evolution. Brands like Netflix and Apple thrive because they continuously innovate and adapt to industry trends. Whether it's through new products, improved services, or updated messaging, staying agile keeps you ahead. Another actionable tip for you here, stay informed about industry trends and invest in innovation to keep your offerings fresh and exciting. Our third pillar is emotional connection. Relevance isn't just about logic, it's about heart. Brands that create an emotional bond with their audience through storytelling, purpose-driven campaigns, or shared values foster loyalty quickly and foster loyalty that lasts. Actionable tip, craft your brand story to highlight your purpose and values. Make your audience feel seen, understood, and inspired. Pillar number 4, and our final one, consistency across touch points is mandatory. A consistent brand experience builds trust and reinforces relevance. From your website to your social media presence, ensuring your message and visual identity align with your brand promise is essential. Actionable tip, conduct a brand audit to identify inconsistencies and standardize your communications. So, what about measuring brand relevance? Staying relevant isn't just a one and done process, it requires constant monitoring and refinement. Use these key metrics to measure your brand relevance. Customer retention rates, are your customers coming back? Engagement levels, are your campaigns sparking interest and interaction? Net Promoter Score, or NPS, are your customers recommending your brand? So here's a couple of brands that embody relevance. Nike is all about inspiring action, and it stays relevant by aligning with cultural moments and celebrating individuality. Their Just Do It campaign continues to inspire, connect, and resonate with audiences worldwide. Spotify does this through personalized experiences. Spotify thrives by understanding its users and delivering personalized playlists and recommendations. This customer-centric approach keeps them ahead of the curve. So, how are you going to build brand relevance in your business? Step 1, define your audience. Get laser focused on the target market. The clearer your understanding of their needs, the better you can serve them. Number 2, stay true to your purpose. A brand with a strong purpose resonates more deeply. Ensure your actions and messaging align with your missions and values. Continuously innovate. Don't rest on your laurels. Challenge yourself to improve, adapt, and lead within your industry. And 4, engage authentically. Connect with your audience in meaningful ways, whether it's through user-generated content, social media interactions, or personalized emails. Make your customers feel valued. So, stay relevant, stay ahead. Brand relevance isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. In a world where customer preferences and market dynamics are constantly shifting, staying relevant ensures your brand remains indispensable. By focusing on customer needs, fostering emotional connections, and embracing innovation, you can future-proof your brand and secure long-term success.